Stock number 407 28G. It's a 2015 RDX. It does have a key, it does start. It's got a rough idle. You can see the damages. Front fender's no good. Bumper, hood, grill, radiator, core support, headlights, none of that. It's all damaged. Got a little thing right there on the rear bumper. Front fender's no good. Steering wheel airbags deployed. It does have a key. It's a rough idle. You can see the damages. I'm probably not going to start it. Seat belt's good. Seatbelt's no good. Passenger side seatbelt's no good. Seatbelt back there is good. There's no third row seats. Seatbelt's good. Driver roof airbags deployed. The passenger dash airbags deployed. And the passenger seatbelt's no good. This is stock number 407 28G. It is a 2015 Acura RDX. It does have a key, it does start, it's just got a rough idle.